Karla has been involved with Electro Soft almost as long as Electro Soft has been in business. My wife and I used to always tease her. We used to call her my first son, because she always would be wherever there's mechanical, electrical, or anything. She was always down there with me tinkering around. She was probably 10 or 11, and she'd come home from school and we'd be on the kitchen table, and I'd say, all right, come on in, I'm gonna hire you, you'll be my second employee.
I would help, like, because you're young, you want to help out, and I cut wire with a ruler and a pair of wire cutters.
So she's there measuring, very exact, cutting the wire and stripping the wire, and helping putting some of the cables together. So she was interested. I think it was more about, wanting to work with Dad and help make some money.
At the time when I was young, I worked there, but I did not want to have anything to do with the company, and that it wasn't fun. In my mind's eye, work was putting on a suit, getting on the train, and going into the city. And so it really changed the way that I thought of work.
She worked at a couple of other organizations before she came, I say, back to Electro Soft.
I had an online store, an online business in the past, so I was able to take lessons from my corporate life, my online business, and really put those in place for the business. And my dad was able to see how we worked so well together, and that was an amazing thing.
By her having gone out and coming back to us, she brought things back into the company.
Well, I want to say thank you, because I think that had I not grown up watching you start a business, you and Mom start the business, grow a business, I don't know that I would have ever thought of going the entrepreneurial route.
I like to believe the fact that Karla has been here for 10 years and basically has been running the organization for the last 3 years should give most of our customers a warm feeling that the organization is in capable hands.
Karla, since she's been a young child working on my kitchen table, has been hardwired to take over Electro Soft.